Today I'm meditating over acceptance. Acceptance over all of the disappointments in life. Acceptance over circumstances that I'm dealing with right now. Acceptance that everything is what it is. Acceptance for other people and the way that they are and the choices they make. Acceptance for myself, for who I am, all my gifts and my flaws. And now after this meditation and just giving God thanks for it all, I'm ready to tackle my day. When I'm riding my bike, the first thing I do is give God thanks for everything He's created, give thanks for everything in my life, even the problems or the people that are causing me trouble or heartache. Then if I have something that needs to be prayed upon, I will use this bike ride to pray and meditate on answers from God, or I will use it if I'm having a really hard time to talk to God in a conversation, explaining the depths and truth to what I feel without holding anything back. And then sometimes, like today, I just allow my thoughts to wander. Most of the time when this happens, a memory is sparked in me from my childhood, some pleasant time in the past. I never hold on to any negative feelings or thoughts, but when those positive memories are sparked, I allow myself to go there to that place in time that brought me joy. Sometimes I use that time to psychoanalyze myself, in a sense, using those memories to think about why I am the way that I am based upon certain memories that are sparked. Certain memories that come to my head allow me a deeper look into my soul. And then when I come back from the bike ride, I have a better understanding of myself and sometimes even of others. So it's a very meditative bike ride in its own way. Personally, I'm so grateful that I get to ride my bike to such a beautiful place. When God chose this house for us, He definitely knew what I needed and put me in a place where I could receive peace as needed. He knew the trials ahead of time that I would be facing. He knew what brought me joy and happiness as well. See, even though we go through so many trials in life, and there's so many things that may hurt us or anger us or disappoint us, there's so many things that we can be grateful for as well. There's so many little things and big things that will bring us joy and peace. And those are the things that we need to choose to focus our minds on. Where your mind goes, your emotions will follow. One thing that I do consistently pray for on these bike rides are my children and my marriage. I pray for the protection over my children. I pray for their spirits, their minds, their salvation. I pray for future spouses. I pray for their education. I pray that they learn to make the best choices, and when they don't, God would uphold them and help them to get out of whatever situations they put themselves in. I pray for peace and joy in their lives as well. So I hope you too can accept the things that you cannot change and be grateful for the things you can.